In this question, you have to identify the statement which is incorrect with respect to cockroach. Option A. Abdominal segment in both sexes bears a pair of anal cerci. Now it is true, both male and female cockroaches have a pair of anal cerci on the 10th abdominal segment. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option B. A ring of gastric ceca is present at the junction of midgut and hindgut. Now it is false. The gastric ceca are actually present at the junction of the foregut and midgut, not at the junction of midgut and hindgut. And the function is to secrete digestive enzymes and help in digestion. Hence, it is the correct option. Option C. Hypopharynx lies within the cavity enclosed by the mouth parts. Now, it is true. The hypopharynx in cockroaches acts as a tongue-like structure, and it lies inside the cavity formed by the mouth parts. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option D. In females, 7th to 9th sterna together form a genital pouch. Now, it is true. In female cockroaches, the 7th to 9th sterna form a genital pouch which contains the female reproductive organs like the gonopophysis, then ovipositor and genital chamber. Hence, it is incorrect option.